Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I'm down here in the Fairmont Mayakoba resort in the Riviera Maya down in Mexico on the Yucatan Peninsula. I've got a special episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes today. I'm going to show you this whole resort on the bike. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. This is a nice quiet bike, no rattling, so maybe I could use this footage. Today is a beautiful day, mid to high 80s, good breeze. So I'm going to take this time to show you all around this resort. You can hear the construction sounds. They're building some new casitas here on the right. I'm going to take this turn here, bring us over to the lagoon area. There's big pools there, a couple of restaurants. Some nice little bridges here. This way will eventually take us up toward the lobby, the spa. Pretty cool. Let's go loop back around. Now off to my left here is the main lobby bar, restaurants. Now I'll take you through some of the little neighborhood casitas areas. This area is called the Lawn, obviously. They do big events there. I guess if you have like a wedding or a reception or some other kind of party. There was a big corporate event there. This straight ahead here is the lagoon again. I don't think I could take the bike over there because it's kind of like pools and, you know, people hanging out. So I will go over this hill slowly. Oh yeah, we're getting there. And then go through this little casitas area. Let's see. I think if I take a right here. Yeah, so this is cool. This is like a little bit more private bungalows, rooms. You can see it's like a little walkway. Hi. Very cool. Sometimes in the morning you hear like the little monkeys and stuff howling around. How are you? All right, take this back to the beach. And I'll do a little loop around the beach. There's some private bungalows up by the beach as well. Oh, big lizard. Those golf carts are cool. They take you around to and from. Tell them where you want to go. They'll bring you right there in case you don't feel like riding a bike or walking. They pass by every 5 minutes or so. You know, you jump on and off it, usually in like a little hub area. Outside the pool is one main area, by the lobby, by all the restaurants, by the beach. Just hang out, wait in the shade 5 minutes, and your ride will arrive. It's better than Uber. Hola. So now we're coming up on the beach. Back at the beach. We did kind of a big loop. But, and you can see over there, it's really beautiful. Oh, another lizard. Oh, we got another lizard here. It's a big one.
Yeah.
They're all coming out now, these lizards, because it's prime heat in the sun. They're cold-blooded animals, so they need to suck up as much external heat as they can. That's why a lot of times you'll see in tropical areas, you'll see lizards just kind of sunbathing. They got to get their body heat up. That one was very green. You could tell it was a little chameleonish, matching the jungle colors, those deep green colors. So these are little private bungalows. On the left, they face the actual beach.
Hola.
Hola. She wasn't watching where she was walking. There's a nature trail that goes through the entire resort. I think you can bike on it or walk, whatever. I haven't done that yet. I'm definitely more interested in just cruising on these roads. It's so cool and peaceful. I imagine this is what Copenhagen is like. Or like, I don't know, Amsterdam, where there's lots of bicycle culture. Let me pull up under this big giant banyan tree and jump off.
What'd you get? Oh, those are the fish tacos?
That's my cheeseburger.
Hamburguesa?
Whoa.
Whoa, shrimp nachos. Holy. So that's it. We did it. Fairmont Mayakoba, Riviera Maya, down in Yucatan Peninsula. Around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.